Hi loves, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alicia, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. So today I'm back with another hair video, and in today's video I'll be doing this gorgeous Bantu that you just saw in the intro. So for today's video, I'm going to be using my rat tail comb, my shine and jam, my rubber bands, my Xpression hair. Today I'm using the 3 times gone Xpression braiding hair. It has 3 bundles in it. The color is 1B and the hair is already pre-stretched. I used all bundles, so I ended up using 1 pack. 1 bundle can do 4 partings. I split 1 bundle into a half and then split each half into another half. So I ended up with 4 sections. The most important part of this style is the parting. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this. So I do 3 sections and then I do subsections. So right here, I'm just parting from here to here to get my first section, and then for the back, I also part from here to here to get the other 2 sections.
You turn me on, man, I play my song. You sing along, it got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to talk.
So for the first section, I'm going to be putting it into 5 subsections. I'm creating triangle style parting, and they're not going to be the same equal sizes.
Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Yeah, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really track them.
For this style, I'm using elastic bands. I did oil them so it can prevent the bands from tugging on my hair and damaging it.
Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on.
I take my shine and jam, apply it to my hair to make it nice and sleek. Then I put it into a rubber band to secure it. And when putting it into a rubber band, you don't want to do the rubber band too tight. Later on in the video, I'll show you why you don't want to do this. Then I pretty much just twist the ends of my hair to keep it tucked in.
I don't want to tire, so me I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that.
To create the triangles in the middle, I start at the back of the parting, so it's a big triangle and 2 smaller triangles.
Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's VQs.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, send me feeling bad. I'll be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them are coming, them are looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my nigga.
For the second section, I did put it into 4 subsections. At the end of the first section, I basically continued the part into a slant for the second section on each side.
It's boring, so sexy. When you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up. You turn me on. Man, I play my song. You sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that.
And then the middle part from the first section to the third section. Not sure if I'm making any sense, but just watch the process and you'll actually see what I'm talking about. So I ended up with 11 partings, and this is how it looks now. So today I'm going to be showing you 2 methods. The first method that I'm going to be using is for my sisters who can't grip when they're braiding. So I pretty much just place my crochet needle through the hair, then I go to the furthest end of the braiding hair that I'm going to be using, place it on the hook and pull it through. Once I pull it through, I'm going to make sure that both strands are equal. Then I begin to braid it down. I use my natural hair as the 3rd strand. I braid it down to where my natural hair ends. Then I start to twist it. Once I twist it enough, I start to wrap it from the base to make sure I get the nice Bantu effect. I keep going around until the hair disappears. So the fact that the hair was already pre-stretched, the ending of it is going to pretty much be the anchor, and it's going to secure your hair so it doesn't pull. But if you're not 100% sure that it's not going to unravel, you can pretty much just use a rubber band and put it over it. But I mean, I have my hair in now for over 3 days and it has not unraveled. So, but if you guys want to put a rubber band over it after you finish twisting it to get the Bantu effect, you can just do that. But I didn't need to do that.
It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's VQs.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about. I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that.
If you didn't catch that the first time, I'm going to show you again. So what I'm going to do is pretty much just put the crochet needle through the hair, and then I take the ends of the braiding hair, hook it on the needle and pull it through. Once I pull it through, I make sure that the ends of the hair is equal. Once I pull it through, I make sure that the ends of the hair is equal. And then I pretty much just start to do a 3-strand braid using my natural hair as the 3rd strand. Till I get to the end of my natural hair, then I start to twist the hair. Once I twist enough, then I start to wrap the hair until I get that nice Bantu effect.
I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. Aye. On the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test me man for it. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's VQs.
Now for the second method, this is for all my sisters who already know how to braid. So before you start braiding, all you have to do is make sure that the ends are equal, and then use your natural hair as a 3rd strand to do a 3-strand braid until I get to the end of my natural hair. Then I start to twist it. Once I twist enough, then I start to wrap it around from the base down until the hair disappears. So I'm pretty much going to do this repeatedly and leave you guys to watch the process. But if my explanation doesn't make any sense, and also for my visual learners,
you will turn me on, man, I play my song. You will sing along, you got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Girl, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. Aye. On the cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test me man for it. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman. Oh.
It's VQs.
Aye. Gucci on the Prada, say me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them are coming, them are looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about. I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire.
To clean up the flyaways, I take my scissors and cut the flyaways away. Then I take my hair oil, put on my paratines.
Me, I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on.
Then I went in to accessorize with my braiding rings and braiding string. Then I take a random edge control to do my edges and sleep down the front of my hair a little bit more.
I on a cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Them really wanna stress up on me. Bad man, them really can't stress up on me. I really wanna test man for it. Bad man, them really wanna test man for it. Get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling.
So if you guys did enjoy this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Until then, it's your girl Oli. Go and big up yourself.